how to block websites on Chrome. So firstly, go to your Google Chrome, and after that click on the three dots icon on the top right corner and go to settings, scroll it down, and on the site settings, here in the advanced tab you can see site settings. Just click on the site settings. Make sure that pop-ups and redirects are disallowed, and also make sure that the ads button is unchecked. So this will help you block pop-ups and redirects on your Google Chrome. And after that, go to your Google and click on your profile at the top right corner, and after that click on settings, and here you can see safe search option. Go to the option and enable the safe search option, and after that the explicit websites will be blocked from your Google Chrome, and this will help you to minimize redirecting to the different unauthorized websites on Google Chrome. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe and not forget to leave us a like and comment.